Said, what is Wolf of Wall Street? Oh, the Wolf of Wall Street is my flagship course. Okay, so my company is the Stock Options Trading Academy, and I've been teaching the Wolf of Wall Street course for the last going on 6 years now. Okay, I started that program in 2020. Before that, I had an 8-week program, and then I added on like in 2018, when I started teaching how to make money in the stock market with stock options. In 2018, I had an 8-week class, and then in 2020, I added an additional 4 weeks to it after I found the strategy where you can't lose money. I was like, oh my God, I got to add this into my class. So now my class is a 12-week class where I hold your hand and show you exactly how to make money in the stock market 8 different ways. And all of my strategies are either trademarked or in the process of being trademarked because of the way that either I created the strategy or I learned about it and then I started teaching it in a different way. So I took it and made it a trademark strategy. Yes, so it's specifically only taught in the Wolf of Wall Street course, the course that I designed. So the course is normally $8,500. Hey, how you doing, Harris? And I was doing a Black Friday special where it was only $6,450 until February 1st. And then after that, it went from 6,000 to regular price and then went back up to now it's up to the 2026 price. So that's what that is. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. I appreciate the congratulations. It feels good. Hey, Harris, it feels good. Honestly, let me just give myself my own little flowers real quick to be in business, helping people make money in the stock market. So first of all, being in business, most businesses don't last for 5 years. So my business started in 2018. And that's awesome. Yay. And second of all, I've been helping people make money and change their lives making money in the stock market as the stock market vehicle of making money. So, hey, Sister Monica, how you going? So thank you, Lighthouse. I appreciate that. So that is something I just have to be like, you know what? Dang, I've really been doing this and it ain't been easy. And there have been times I wanted to give up, but I'm glad I didn't because the ability to help people see how they can have their freedom from being either A, trapped in a job that they don't like, or B, having their freedom because they don't have somebody over their head saying, if you don't do this, if you don't jump these hoops and ever, we're going to fire you. And now people actually have, thank you, I appreciate that, Harris. The people now actually have the understanding to be like, wait a minute, you know what? I don't have to kowtow and do everything they say to do because I just made $1,000 in the stock market. I don't need to hear that. You know what I'm saying?